Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm in my kitchen and I said I was gonna cook, so I'm like, why not vlog it? So today I'm gonna show you guys how I make my oxtail. I already seasoned it because I wasn't planning to do a video today, but I'm gonna tell you guys all the ingredients that I did put in my oxtail, so you guys can stay tuned to see how I make oxtail. Okay, so it's already seasoned, as you can see. So I'm gonna put on my pot, and I cook mine in the pressure cooker, you know, so it can get soft. I just add a little oil. So what I had was salt, black pepper, browning, some Maggi all-purpose, and some complete seasoning. So I did not do a measurement for it. You can just season your oxtail to your like or your taste, you know. So I'm not gonna do a measurement for my oxtail today. So stay tuned to see how I make my oxtail. So I'm just gonna stir it in, combine all the seasoning. So usually you can just marinate it for an hour or two, or however long you want to do it, overnight. But today, I'm not going to let mine marinate because I think I still get the same flavor from it, whether I marinate it or not, okay? Because I'm a top chef. So yeah guys, so this is how it looks. It's beautiful. So I'm going to add it to my oil. See if the oil is ready. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go in with my oxtail. And I'm just gonna cover it and let it kind of like boil or steam. And then I'm gonna come back and check on it. I'm gonna go prep some seasoning for my oxtail, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so my oxtail is already fried up, and so I'm gonna go in with my bell peppers, my onion, my tomato, and some scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, alright, and then I'm gonna let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my water to pressure it. Okay, I'm gonna cover the pot. And so in the meantime, I'm gonna grate some pumpkin because I'm gonna make pumpkin rice. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue to grate my pumpkin. I'm gonna wash some rice and set it on, and then when I'm ready to add my pumpkin to my rice, I'm gonna come back and then add the water to the oxtail for it to pressure for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm back, and this is the oxtail here, already fried up with my seasonings. And so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some water to it. So the oxtail is already fried up and ready to be pressured. So what I'm gonna do right now is add my water, and I want it just right a little above the oxtail. So yeah, that should be fine. So I'm gonna let it boil up, and then I'm gonna add, before I pressure it, I'm gonna let it boil up first, and then I'm gonna close it so it can be pressured to 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my grated pumpkin to my rice that's already washed. I already washed it 5 times. Then I'm gonna add some salt and butter and let it cook, and then off camera I'm gonna make some vegetable and do some blended fruit juice. Okay guys, so we're back. So this is the pumpkin rice, it's done. And then this is the oxtail, and I put some butter bean in it. So I'm just gonna let it simmer down for the next 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna add some ketchup, and then I'm gonna share some and show you guys the final finished look. Okay, so stay tuned again for the final touch. Okay guys, so my oxtail is ready. Come over and take a look. Yes guys, so that's my oxtail, and as you can see, it's really soft. Come, let's do a taste. Oh my god, the flavor is so beautiful. It's not too spicy. Guys, comment down below and tell me what you think about my oxtail, my little broccoli on the side, some pumpkin rice, plantain of course, and some mashed potato salad. So guys, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner right now. Comment down below and tell me if you like this recipe, and remember to like, share, and subscribe once more. Okay, love you guys, peace out.